In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can work with modifiers so you can copy and paste them in one object or to multiple objects and using just a simple command. So let me just create a new general scene and we can start with a simple cube. And let's begin by adding a modifier. So I'm going to go in the modifier tab, add modifier, and I'm going to go generate. And what I can use here real quick is, for example, the bevel. So bevel will add this to my cube. And I don't want to do like anything more than that. I just want to add here another modifier, and it's going to be a remesh. Now you can add any modifier you want to do another example. It's up to you. So here we have the possibility to smooth or make a sharp remesh, or we can remesh with blocks. So that's going to be fine. I just want to show you that this is different. And now I can also bevel again. So I'm gonna click again on the other modifier and add another bevel. And let's adjust a little bit here. Let's make it less and also increase the segments. So you can see it's nice and beveled. So it's a more complex cube than the one that we began with. So I'm gonna add now another cube here, and then also I'm gonna add a cylinder, and that's it. I think it's good enough. We can also copy and paste. I'm just gonna copy and paste this cube here a few times so we can make some different examples. So first example, how do we copy one single modifier from one object to another? So single object from another single object. So you select the object. Well, first it's better that you select the destination object and hold the shift key on your keyboard and then select the source object. So this is active. You can see it's more visible outline here. It's brighter, and this one here is the non-active. So you need to be in this situation like this in order to copy from this object to the other. So if you go here in the modifier, you can choose the modifier you want to copy. So let's say I just want to copy the third bevel right here. So what I'm going to do is click on this little arrow and click on copy to selected. There you go. So you can see we added this bevel, only the bevel, not all the modifiers. And another way is to copy all the modifiers. So if I go, let's say, to this other cube, I want to copy the modifiers to that other cube. So first you select the destination, hold shift, click on the other object. And if you mistake, you can always hold shift and continue to click. You can see now this one here has become the active object. If I click again here, this is now again back the active object. So I'm going to copy multiple modifiers into this other one, the destination object. And to do that, I'm just going to go with ctrl+l, and this is going to open this menu here that I can position in other places if I want, and then go down here, copy modifiers. And now you can see that every modifier that it's in this object has been perfectly pasted in this other object right here. Now, another way we can do this, let me just go back, is we can select first the object, destination object, second the source object, and then we can go up here to object and go down, link transfer data, and then copy modifiers. So now you can see I copied those 3 modifiers into the cylinder. And to finish, another thing I can do is to do this like with multiple objects at a time. So if I select, for example, 1, hold shift, 2, 3, and then 4, the source object, now I can do this with multiple objects in the scene. So if I want to copy just one, I just go here and say copy to selected. Ctrl+Z. If I want to copy them all, again, the quickest way is to do Ctrl+L, copy modifiers. And that's it. So this will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to the channel to stay updated. If you want to support us, you can join the channel as a supporter. and you will have like previews and other advantages. And also, please check the other courses in Blender and other software that are already in the channel. So thanks again for watching, and see you in the next.